Everyone, so the next topic in data structure, which is tuple. So Python tuples. What is tuple? Tuples are ordered collection of data items. They store multiple items in a single variable. Tuple items are separated by commas and enclosed within round brackets. Tuples are unchangeable, meaning we cannot alter them after creation. Okay, so we can't alter them after creation. Tuple are immutable. This is very important question. So this is our tuple. Tuples are ordered collection of items, but tuples are immutable, unchangeable. So unchangeable means this is a keyword, immutable. So immutable. So this is the spelling of immutable. Now we will erase it. Okay, so the first example is, first create a variable tuple1, and then this is a tuple. You can use parenthesis for tuple and square brackets for list, but everyone, you can also create a tuple without this parenthesis. Now tuple1 and tuple2, and this is the output. Similarly, example 2, create a tuple and print your variable, and here is the output. So in this way you can create tuples. So let's take a closer look to this definition and this code. So okay, now next is accessing tuple items. So how we can access tuple items? So there are two types of indexing, positive and negative indexing. And okay, so everyone open your Jupyter notebook. So we will start code. So let's start our code. This is our Jupyter, and here first we will give the heading. So the heading is tuples, and then mark down it. Okay, now this is tuple. So how to create tuple? For example, tup1 equal to parenthesis, and you can specify your name, Python, Java, C, C++, HTML, and React.js. Okay everyone, now print this variable, and this is your output. Now you can check the type of this tuple also. So print the type of tup1. So the type of tup1 is tup. You can also create a tuple without using parentheses. For example, data structures, or we can specify algorithms equal to. So bubble shot, quick shot, merge shot, and there is one another heap shot, and then Dijkstra's algorithm. Okay, now print this variable algorithms. So what is algorithms? So it's not specify here. So this is the output. Now how to check that this and this both are tuples? So now we will check the type of this variable algorithms. So the type of this variable which is also tuple. So in this way you can use parenthesis or without parenthesis to create a tuple. Now tuple indexes. What is tuple indexes? Each item element in a tuple has its own unique index. This index can be used to access any particular item from the tuple. The first item has 0, second item has index, third item has index 2, and so on. For example, country equal to Spain, Italy, and India. So the index of Spain, which is 0th index, and the index of Italy, which is first index, and the index of India, which is second index. Now accessing tuple items. Okay, now first one is positive indexing. So positive indexing means, as we have seen that tuple items has index, as such we can access items using these indexes. For example, country equal to, just copy it, Control C and print here. Now print the country and then specify 0th index. Now print the country again and the first index. Now print the country and now specify second index. So Spain has 0th index, Italy first, and India second index. Okay, so this is the output. In this way you can access your elements from the list. Second one is negative indexing. It's similar to positive indexing. Negative indexing is also used to access items but from the end of the tuple. The last item has index -1, second item has index -2, and the third item has index -3, and so on. So example, country equal to Spain, and then Italy, and then India, and then England, and then Germany, So Spain has index 0, Italy has index 1, India has index 2, England 3, and Germany 4. Guys, this is the shortcut to comment and uncomment. Control plus /. Okay. Now we want to access the elements using negative slicing, negative indexing. Guys, slicing and indexing both are different. Indexing means access one item only, and slicing means access a part of the height tables. Okay. Now print country -2 and print country -3. Now this is the output. So alright everyone, check for item. We can now the next topic, which is check for item. So we can check if a given item is present in tuple. This is done using in keyword. For example, using in keyword. Country equal to Spain, Italy, India, England, and last one is Germany. Now we will use if else statements. So if Germany in country, then print Germany is present, and else print Germany is absent. Okay everyone, now print, so Germany is present. If we write here some other countries, for example Australia, and if we change here Australia and then here Australia, so Australia is absent. Okay everyone, now move to our next example. Country equal to Spain, and guys, we just copy it, Control X and Control V, cut it, and then Control C and Control V, and Germany. This is present code and this is absent code. Okay everyone, and so keep the heading item in, or we can say that present item is present, and here item is not present. Okay everyone, now fourth one is range. First, this is first accessing tuple item, and we can also use negative slice indexing, and then third, and the fourth accessing item is range of index. So you can print a range of tuple items by specifying where do you want to start, where do you want to end, and if you want to skip elements in between the range. So the syntax is tuple and then start and then end and then jump index. This is the index of range function. Now example, printing elements within a particular range. So first we will create a variable animals equal to cat and dog, and then bat and then mouse and then pig and horse and donkey and goat and the last animal, which is cow. Now print animals. Okay everyone, now we have solved this question also in the list video. Now we will use tuple. So this is using positive indexes, and this is using negative indexing, comma -2, using negative indexes. Okay everyone, so what is this error? Tuple indices must be integer, and so this is colon, not comma. Alright everyone, that you have hopefully understood what is accessing items in tuples. Now printing all the elements from given index till the end. For example, animals equal to cat, dog, bat, mouse, pig and horse, and just copy it, Control C and Control V. Now print animals, and we want to print from index 4 to the last. So invalid syntax. So what is the invalid syntax? So please remove it, and this is our output. Now again we want to use negative slicing. So this is our output, which is horse, and if we want to use -4 to last, so this is our output. So guys, here -4 means equal to total elements minus, or we can say that len of element minus this 4. So which is, how many elements are here? We can also find elements. For example, print len of animals. So there are 9 elements. The length of animals, or we can also say that there are 9 elements in animals variable. So 9 minus 4, which is 5. So on the fifth index, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, horse will come. So horse, and then add to the last. So this is the output. So just comment it. Okay. So alright everyone, this is the accessing methods in tuples.